Are you frustrated with websites not loading properly in Chrome on your PC? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to fix this issue and get your browsing experience back on track. Let's get started. Step 1. Disable unnecessary extensions. At the top right corner of your Chrome browser, click on the More button, then select Extensions. Here, click on Manage Extensions. Step 2. Clear browsing data. Open the Chrome settings by clicking on the three-dot menu at the top right corner, then go to Privacy and Security. Select Clear Browsing Data and click on Clear Data. Step 3. Disable VPN. If you're using a VPN service, try disabling it temporarily as it may interfere with your browsing experience. Step 4. Update your Windows. Go to the Windows settings by clicking on the Start menu, then click on Update and Security. Check for any available updates and install them. Step 5. Reinstall Google Chrome. By following these simple steps, you can fix websites not loading in Chrome on your PC. Enjoy a seamless browsing experience once again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.